Elephants are majestic giants. They are the largest land animals on Earth. Their size and strength are awe-inspiring. These gentle giants roam the savannas and forests of Africa and Asia. African elephants are slightly larger than their Asian counterparts. They have larger ears and tusks, and both males and females can grow them. Asian elephants have smaller, rounder ears and a more arched back. Only some male Asian elephants have tusks. These physical differences reflect their adaptations to different environments. African elephants are built for the open savannas. Asian elephants are more suited to the dense forests of Southeast Asia. Despite their differences, all elephants share a common ancestor. They are intelligent, social animals, and they play a vital role in their ecosystems. African and Asian elephants, though similar in their grandeur, exhibit distinct characteristics. Their differences stem from their evolutionary paths, shaped by their respective environments. Understanding these differences is key to appreciating the biodiversity within the elephant world. One of the most noticeable differences lies in their size and physique. African elephants, the larger of the two, possess larger ears that resemble the African continent. These ears, rich in blood vessels, help them regulate their body temperature in the hot savannas. Asian elephants, adapted to the cooler forests, have smaller, rounder ears. Another distinguishing feature is the shape of their heads. African elephants have a concave forehead, while Asian elephants have a convex or bulging forehead. This difference, though subtle, is a clear marker of their species. Their trunks, marvels of nature, also differ. African elephants have two finger-like lobes at the tip of their trunks, giving them greater dexterity. Asian elephants have only one lobe, relying more on their upper lip for grasping. Elephants are highly social animals, living in close-knit herds led by a matriarch, the oldest and most experienced female. These herds are complex societies bound by strong family ties and intricate communication networks. Elephants communicate through a variety of sounds, including trumpets, rumbles, and screams. These vocalizations convey a range of emotions, from excitement and joy to fear and aggression. A loud trumpet blast can signal danger, while a gentle rumble might be a greeting to a family member. Beyond vocal communication, elephants also use touch, scent, and body language to convey messages. The gentle caress of a trunk, the scent of urine, or the flapping of ears can communicate affection, dominance, or warnings. Young elephants, particularly playful and curious, learn social cues from their elders. They observe and mimic the behaviors of adults, strengthening their bonds within the herd and ensuring the transmission of knowledge across generations. Elephants are renowned for their intelligence and memory. They possess the largest brain of any land animal, and their cognitive abilities are remarkable. Studies have shown that elephants have excellent spatial memory, allowing them to remember water sources and migration routes over vast distances. Their problem-solving skills are equally impressive. Elephants have been observed using tools such as sticks to extract insects from tree trunks. They can also recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness observed in only a few other species, including humans and great apes. Beyond their cognitive abilities, elephants display a remarkable emotional depth. They exhibit grief, empathy, and compassion, forming strong social bonds that last a lifetime. The death of a herd member, especially a matriarch, is a deeply emotional event for elephants. They mourn their dead, caressing the remains with their trunks and staying with the body for days. Elephants are not just magnificent creatures, they are keystone species, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Their impact on their environment is profound, shaping landscapes and influencing the lives of other species. As large herbivores, elephants consume vast quantities of vegetation, acting as natural gardeners. Their grazing habits help control the growth of trees and shrubs, preventing forests from becoming too dense. This in turn benefits other herbivores by creating open grasslands where they can thrive. Elephants also create clearings in forests by knocking down trees and trampling vegetation. These clearings allow sunlight to reach the forest floor, promoting the growth of new plants and creating habitats for smaller animals. Their dung, rich in nutrients, acts as a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil and promoting plant growth. Furthermore, elephant dung disperses seeds over long distances, aiding in the regeneration of forests and grasslands. Elephants, these magnificent symbols of wilderness, face an uncertain future. Human activities such as habitat loss, poaching and human-wildlife conflict are pushing elephant populations towards the brink. It is our moral imperative to protect these gentle giants and ensure their survival for generations to come. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation and land conversion for agriculture, is squeezing elephants into smaller and more fragmented areas. This fragmentation isolates populations, making them more vulnerable to disease and genetic problems. Poaching for ivory remains a significant threat, particularly for African elephants. Despite international bans on ivory trade, demand persists in some parts of the world, fueling this cruel and unsustainable trade. Human-wildlife conflict arises when elephants raid crops or damage property, leading to retaliatory killings. As human populations expand and encroach upon elephant habitats, such conflicts are becoming increasingly common. We must act now to mitigate these threats. Supporting organizations that work to protect elephant habitats, combat poaching, and promote human-elephant coexistence is crucial. Raising awareness about the plight of elephants and advocating for stronger protection measures are equally important. Let us be the generation that turns the tide, ensuring that these majestic creatures continue to grace our planet for centuries to come.